There was something in the bushes. Making noises, that's all I know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm walking up to the Crybaby Bridge right now. So the story with this is, well, there are actually two different stories for the same person. No one knows which is accurate. I'm sure you could find out if you wanted to. But, so the story goes, either a mother was riding in the back of a car with her friends and her baby was in the back with her, and they got in a wreck and the baby wasn't buckled in, so she flew out the window. And tragically, not tragic, well, it is tragic, but it said that the mother went back and hung herself from the bridge not too long after that. But the other story goes, the mother was fucking crazy and they didn't crash, but the mother threw her baby out of the window. So those are the two stories from, and no, I don't know which is true. I'm sure you can figure out, like I said. But some of the weird stuff that's supposed to happen here is you're supposed to hear babies crying. You're supposed to hear a mother call out for her baby. Or you're supposed to hear like a woman moaning. People catch orbs here on camera all the time. But let's read some history right here. This bridge was built in 1887, and it looks like it was designed by a Winfield Fries engineer in Greenfield, Indiana. Nice. Okay, so while we're here, I'm gonna come over here. I'm not gonna jump off the bridge, swear to God. But I am gonna fly my drone off the bridge. If there's anyone here, you can go ahead and talk into that. Record a new one. Alright, we're gonna play this as well. Alright, if there's anyone here, you can go ahead and talk to that EVP recorder right there. I'd like to know your name. I'd like to know how you died. And I'd like to know why you're still here haunting this bridge. Alright, so maybe we'll get some stuff on that. Oh, there's a fucking dollar here. Sweet! Got a dollar bill, y'all. Fuck yeah. Sweet. Alright. My drone's not gonna work. Not here. Who knows though, maybe I got a cool shot. Well, I did get it to fly. You never know. Let's bust out the EMF meter though. So this is all still. There's no electricity. There's a power line right there. No electricity actually in the bridge though. So I'll walk across here. Okay. Is there anyone here? You can interact with the CMF meter by getting close to it. Don't like that. Anyone here at all? I heard some fucking shit in the bushes or something. There's some in the bushes. Anyone here? That could be a bird. I'm not saying it's not a bird in the bushes, but there was something in the bushes. There was something in the bushes. Making noises, that's all I know. Okay. My hands are fucking freezing. There's a Crybaby Bridge though. And there's a car coming. I'm gonna get on the other side of this. But yeah. Here we are though. Okay. I doubt I'm getting much on the EVP radar right now. I'm gonna actually pack it up out of here and call it quits while I can. That guy flew. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go back to the car. So yeah, that was the Crybaby Bridge and the Main Street Cemetery, also known as the Hayes Cemetery. I meant Main Street Graveyard, my bad. I'm gonna pack it up and go to our next location. Peace out. Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am here at the Main Street Graveyard, aka the Hayes Cemetery. Time ago, a man had hung his wife in this graveyard. It's getting to be darker. He also shot her in the head with an arrow. So